How to export and import timecodes only. To begin, I opened a subtitle. To export the timecodes, just go to File, Export, and select Export Custom Text Format. Now click on this new button and in opened window, remove the text, so only number, start and end time of each line will be exported. Set a name for the template and click OK. Now select this template and save the file. Now you can see that only numbers and time codes of my subtitle is saved here. Now let's create a new project and import only time codes from a subtitle. Just go to File, Import, and select Time Codes. And select your subtitle or time codes file to open it. And now only the time codes are imported into Subtitle Edit. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.